Let's quickly explore how to create these viral meme videos where Lil Yachty is swapped with the Joker and how Tom Cruise is replaced by LeBron. So, let's get started. To replace a person in a video, you need to use a tool called Viggle Ai, which is currently free to use. I already made a video on this tool, but here I am using a new method. So, to access it, click here to join its Discord server, then click Accept Invite. Once in, head to the animate channels and click on any one of them. Now, if you scroll through a bit, you can find this template that generates the Lil Yachty stage entrance video. Though I will leave the prompt in the description. At the end, I will show you where you can get these pre-built templates. First, we will need an image to animate. So, head over to Lexica Art, where you will find lots of different characters. For this demonstration, let's search for something in Pixar style. I will select this character to download. But remember to select only a full body image for best results. Now, go back to Discord and type /animate, and you will be prompted to upload your chosen character image. I will upload the image I downloaded from Lexica. After that, copy the Lil Yachty template and paste it into the motion prompt section. For background, since I am using the Lil Yachty template, I will select the From Template option. And for fine-tune, I will choose On. Then hit Enter to submit your prompt. And after a few minutes, your video will be ready. And here is the result. It's so easy that it took me less than 5 minutes to create it. But that's not all. You can find more such pre-made templates on their website at viggle.ai/prompts to create videos with a single character. Like this Mr. Bean dance, or Lil Yachty stage entrance, or Tom Cruise in Risky Business. Plus, there are numerous prompts spread across multiple pages. So, there's plenty to explore and create with Viggle Ai. But this can only replace a single character. So, stay tuned for the next video.